Is your Android phone showing it's connected to Wi-Fi but still says no internet? Frustrating, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 proven methods that can fix this issue fast. So grab your phone, follow along, and let's get your internet working right now. Fix 1. Reset Wi-Fi connection. First thing first, go to Wi-Fi settings, tap on the network you are currently connected to, and select Forget. This removes the saved connection, encoding any bugs or conflicts it might be carrying. Now restart your phone. A quick reboot helps clear out temporary glitches and gives your phone a fresh start. Once it's back on, head back into your Wi-Fi settings, select your network again, and enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, and tap connect. Your internet should be working properly. Still seeing this annoying message on your phone? Don't worry, we have got a stronger fix that can finally solve it. Fix 2. Set static IP and DNS. Sometimes your phone struggles to get the right IP address or DNS from the router, so we are going to set it manually. And trust me, this method works like magic. To do that, once more time, head back into your Wi-Fi settings, tap your network, and hit Forget. Reselect the same network and re-enter your Wi-Fi password, but don't connect, and tap on Advanced option. Under IP settings, switch it from DHCP to static. Now you will see some new fields pop up. For the IP address, you will see something like 192.168.1.128. Here you need to change the last digit only, 128 instead 129. Just like that, 192.168.1.129. Now scroll down to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. This is Google public DNS server. It's fast, safe, and super reliable. Once you have entered all that, go ahead and hit connect. Give it a few seconds and boom, you should be connected to the internet again. And that's it.